If Photoshop won't open and shows the scratch disks are full error, this usually means Photoshop has run out of temporary storage space. Here's how to fix it on Windows. First, close Photoshop completely. Now reopen Photoshop while holding Ctrl+Alt on your keyboard. Keep holding the keys until the Scratch Disk Preferences window appears. Alternatively, go to Edit, then Preferences, and select Scratch Disk. From here, select a drive that has plenty of free space, preferably your main drive or another drive with more storage. Click OK and let Photoshop finish loading. If Photoshop still won't open, we'll manually clear the cache files. In the Windows search bar, type Run, then type %temp and press Enter. Select all the files in this folder and delete them. If some files can't be deleted, just skip those. Next, open File Explorer and go to this location. Inside this folder, open Media Cache Files. Delete everything inside this folder. These are temporary files from old projects and are safe to remove. Next, go to the Windows search bar and type Disk Cleanup. Open it. Select your main drive and click OK. Now check Everything. Click OK and delete the files. Next, go up to Edit, then come down to Purge and choose All. If yours is grayed out like mine, that means it's already been purged. Now go to the Windows search bar and search for Storage Settings. Open this up and you'll be able to see the storage on your computer. Select Temporary Files, let it load, and then click Remove Files. Once this is done, you can close out of this window. After that, restart your computer. Once your PC restarts, open Photoshop again. The scratch disk error should now be gone and Photoshop should open normally. If you want to prevent this issue in the future, make sure you always keep enough free space on your scratch disk drive and clear cache files regularly. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. And if you found real value in it, a super thanks would be greatly appreciated.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.